World Video Bible School is excited to provide you free access to our online video archive directly on your TV. That's over 2,000 videos available at the touch of your remote. Please join me for a moment as I show you how this simple Amazon Fire TV device will provide easy access to thousands of WVBS videos. Now, some of you might be asking the question, what's an Amazon Fire TV? Among the many products that Amazon produces, they have a line of streaming video devices that gives you the ability to watch videos on your TV without the need for cable or satellite or DVDs. These Fire TV devices provide access to internet-based channels from a variety of companies, including World Video Bible School. Now first, in order to use this method to access WVBS videos, you need to have one, a good internet connection at your house, and two, a Fire TV device. Amazon Fire TV devices come in two main setups, external devices that connect to most TVs, or a special all-in-one TV unit with the software built in. Now the special TV units are very obvious. The entire menu system is Amazon's custom operating system. While WVBS does not sell the TVs or the devices, they're available at most electronic stores and big box supercenters, and of course online through Amazon. For this presentation, I want to focus on the external Fire TV devices that can be used with any TV that has an HDMI port, whether it's a smart TV or not. Fire TV external devices come in a variety of prices and feature levels. And while the WVBS channel will work on any of these devices, we do recommend purchasing one of the mid-level models to give you the best viewing experience when you watch our videos. This mid-level model, called the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, retails for about $40 or $50. We want you to note, though, that the WVBS channel is completely free. There is no monthly subscription, no service charges. Also, the Fire TV device is a one-time purchase. There's not a required reoccurring cost to use it. Amazon now will try to sell you additional content to add, but you don't have to have that. In order to access WVBS on your Fire TV, you will only need to pay your monthly internet service. And that's access to thousands of videos for free. Now, once you have your Fire TV streaming stick or other device, you will begin by plugging it into an HDMI port on your TV. The Fire TV streaming stick has a built-in HDMI connector on one end of the stick. So you'll plug it in to the back of your TV or to the side, and it will stay there. Note, your TV has to have an HDMI port to work with these latest devices. Next, you will connect a power cable that came with your Fire TV power unit. It'll plug into the side of the stick device. A small USB port is what you'll find. With the Fire TV device connected to your TV and then connected to its power cable, you can then turn on your TV and choose the appropriate HDMI input option. And at this point, you should see a Amazon Fire TV logo or a screen waiting for you to begin the setup process. Using the Fire TV remote that came with your device, you will follow the on-screen setup directions. You'll choose the language that you want the directions to be given in, and then you'll connect your Fire TV device to your wireless Wi-Fi internet connection. To do this, you'll just simply choose the Wi-Fi connection option that shows on the screen, probably the one that you have used with your computer or your laptop or your smartphone at your house. You'll enter the password for your network and you'll click the connect button. Once it finishes, you'll need to follow the remaining setup screen directions. It may include logging into an Amazon user account. After finishing the setup instructions, which should be straightforward and should have all the information you need, you are now ready to load the WVBS channel on your device. Simply click the home button on your remote. Make sure you're on the home screen. From the home screen, you will see a navigation menu under the top advertising graphic, about in the middle of the screen. Move the highlight cursor to the Search or Find option, which will be signified by a magnifying glass icon. Select this option, and then navigate down to the Search input box and select it. Using the on-screen keyboard, type the letters WVBS. With the search now run, highlight the World Video Bible School logo and thumbnail image and select it. You should see a description with an option icon that says Get and references that this is a free download. Click on this option. You may be required to enter a PIN code, which you would have set up during the Amazon account creation step. The channel will now begin to download and install on your device. After the process finishes, you can choose the option that now says Open to begin browsing. Or you can click on the remote's Home button to see the channel now listed on your home screen. Selecting the WVBS channel app, you should see the channel begin to load. Once the channel opens, you will see a beautiful background image with a horizontal row of WVBS video thumbnails. At this point, you now have access to thousands of WVBS videos available on demand 24/7, as much as you want. Want to binge watch Bible Land passages? Go for it. Want to amaze your kids or grandkids with God's creation? Just call them in and show them the puzzling platypus, the electrifying eel, and the curious camel that's part of the Wonders of Creation program. Or maybe you want to share the gospel with your neighbor. You can go to the evangelistic category, have your Bibles ready, and choose which study series works best for you and your prospect. While you now have hundreds of different programs representing thousands of video lessons available to you, you might be asking, where do I start? How do I navigate the channel and find what you want? There are a couple of ways to find what you want to watch. First, we've tried to organize the channel so that you can browse content by categories. Notice at the top left-hand corner of the channel, there's a title in a rectangular box. You can navigate up to this box and select it to open a category menu. Each category will then display in the center of the screen a row of programs or video thumbnails that you can scroll through. If the thumbnail looks like there are gray boxes stacked up behind it, this means that this is a program, a grouping of numerous videos that you can watch, or maybe a series or a playlist. Selecting it will show a subpage showing a horizontal row of the available videos. Now, if you know a specific program or title, or you have a keyword or phrase that you would like to search, then you can go up to the category menu, select it so that you can see the vertical list, and then navigate all the way up to the top where it says Search. Simply use the on-screen keyboard that begins to display, type your text, and you should begin to see a list of results matching the content you're looking for. All of these results coming from the WVBS archive of videos. Use the arrow buttons, select the title that you wish to see, and enjoy. The WVBS Fire TV channel can be a wonderful source of faith-building, spiritually uplifting lessons for all ages. It can be used for edification in your home for yourself and for your family, but it can also be used as a means for evangelism. With instant access to a variety of videos and topics, you can use it as a way to start a conversation with non-Christian family or friends in your home. You can also use it as a means to present a structured Bible study of the gospel. Lastly, if your congregation has internet or a TV at their building, these lessons can be used as a special presentation during Bible classes, or as curriculum for a full Bible class quarter, or even to help as a fill-in sermon if the local preacher is sick or unable to preach. If you run into issues getting your Fire TV set up, I would recommend asking a younger family member or friend, maybe a grandkid or a youth at your congregation, for help. They'll probably know how. WVBS also has written instructions available online to follow and see the screenshots. Please utilize and share this wonderful and free resource for your benefit.